Awakening Health is a clinic I opened based on a concept and a need that I felt needed to be filled in the healthcare system. I've had my own experiences as essentially a primary caregiver for loved ones that have been very ill. And I know the frustration that it is when you are bouncing between medical professional and medical professional, and everybody's doing their job as well as they possibly can, but you still aren't getting the answers that you're looking for, and you're still not able to get the relief for the symptoms that you're experiencing. The goal here at Awakening Health is to be a place that somebody can come to when you don't fit the box of the standard condition, which requires a simple solution. You are somewhere in between. You're in the gray area and you've got a lot of pain, you've got some dysfunctions, but unfortunately no relief. And the goal is to try to do everything we can by offering different services, whether it's osteopathic treatments, naturopathic treatments, physiotherapy, myofascial unwinding, small size yoga classes, meditation, etc. Anything that the clinic does offer, working together as an integrated unit to try to provide the relief that you're looking for. Solutions aren't always cut and dry. The typical person who everything was fine for the first 30 to 40 years of your life and then starts to kind of fall apart, and it begins with chronic low back or a chronic hip issue that grows, or maybe a neck issue or some headaches that start to progress further and further. And so those types of things are usually due to some long-term wear and tear. Sometimes small injuries from the past have accumulated. Maybe you played high-level sports as a child and you have some bigger injuries that are starting to affect you later in life. Accidents, falls, childbirth, etc. All these things are just different layers. But so is the cumulative wear and tear of stress on the body, which has a tendency to really break it down, as well as undiagnosed food sensitivities, things that you didn't realize until you were in your 30s that you shouldn't be consuming gluten products or dairy products or something along those lines. And so as much as all those factors seem separate, they still create a lot of consistent wear and tear in the body. They affect the layers of connective tissue surrounding the digestive system, which then can cause back pain, rib pain, neck pain, can even feed into the development of headaches, edema or swelling issues into the legs. And treating it from just a single approach isn't always the best option. It's going to provide some relief, but maybe not quite get to the root cause. You might have some connective tissue that needs to be mobilized, or maybe could benefit from a myofascial unwinding in order to promote better mobility through the body. But if there's a food sensitivity that still hasn't been diagnosed, you're still going to keep sliding back into the same cycle. Or maybe stress is a big issue, and while you might not be able to eliminate the stress, learning some stress management techniques, whether that's different breathing associated with yoga and postures there, or if maybe learning some meditation techniques is what your body needs to help manage that stress at a better level. The goal at Awakening Health is to provide you with all the tools that you need from multiple disciplines, but all under one roof, all working as one integrated system to help you get better.